Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome to a new video. And right now, I'm on the way to Yellow Belly. There's gonna be some good races tonight. Some fast trucks and some fast cars. I'm gonna pull up and record it. I'm gonna try to get some nice videos for y'all. So I'll see y'all whenever I get there. I'll make sure y'all point of view right now because downtown look nice. I'm gonna turn the video on as soon as I'm a little closer in line because right now it's a big ass line. All right, we just got here. I'm about to go walk over to the pit right now. It's kind of cold out here. Shit, all right. We just got here. I'm about to show y'all some cars that look cool. I'm gonna show y'all the lineup. I think that truck I'm under to see run already ran. I'm not sure though.
I'm just playing. I don't know, bro.
Now they're both weak. I checked their Instagram. They're both weak.
What? All right, nigga, fine. Yeah, I got the truck. Oh, yeah, nigga. You got 5 ready, nigga.
I ain't get to see who took that, bro. I'm gonna have to rewatch this show. I just rewatched it and the car took it, bro. I thought the truck was gonna take it. Shit. Hold on, let's go look at this Trailblazer. Shit, I think the Trailblazer took that one. Shit. Let's go look at the lineup right now. That's the lineup for right now. I think that truck that I wanted to watch run already ran, bruh. So I'll probably just stick around for a little longer. Versus, I believe 6'2". Jeep took it. See what's coming up next. Camaro? Oh, they feel like bad as that was that truck that I wanted to see run, but the Camaro took off. I don't know if they're gonna run it again or not. It was a black Camaro and that black truck that was supposed to run it. Alright, what's up, y'all? So today's the next morning. Last night it was pretty lit, bro. Some good races. Single cab Silverado versus Z01 Camaro. But right now I'm on the way to pick up the truck. I'm gonna take it with me to get some breakfast real quick, and I might go take it to give it a little wash, cause around 2ish, I'm gonna go pick up my homeboy Jonathan. He's gonna help me take some videos of the truck, cause I need someone to drive that hoe, you know. But shit, right now I'm pulling up to the truck. I'm gonna show y'all a cold start as soon as I'm there. All right, we just got to the truck. Shit. Let's turn it on real quick. All right. We in this hole now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on now. Check out the fluids real quick, and then we're gonna head over to get some breakfast in a bit. But alright, the fluids are looking good right now. And shit, I might just let it warm up for a little longer. And then we're gonna head over to get some breakfast. I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so we just pulled up to this breakfast spot. It's called Sosa's Barbecue. I don't know if y'all ever heard about it. Check it out. Get in there now. I've never been here. Let's see what's up. I have no idea where I'm at. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good, good. Been here before?
Nah, first time.
What brings you in?
Breakfast burritos.
How'd you hear about the breakfast burritos?
Your story, bro.
Okay.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so you ready?
I'm ready.
Which one do you want?
De carne asada.
Carne asada? Sale pues.
Ya está.
You want to add aguacate to it? It's optional.
Sure.
Yeah?
We can do it.
Asada. Aguacate. Can I get your name?
What's your name, bro?
This will be for here to go.
To go, please.
So most of our flavor is going to come from the salsa verde.
Yeah?
Okay, we make a special salsa. It's a salsa green tomatillo, but it's specific for breakfast.
They got soccer ball. Let's see. Oh, we got air in it too. Let's see. Put my keys in. I just done with the soccer ball. But right now we're gonna just wait for the food to be ready, and then we'll probably just go to the truck and eat it in there. I'm gonna let y'all know as soon as it's ready. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so here's your burrito. Alright, I hope y'all can see me and hear me. I'm gonna get my water real quick. Alright. I just got my water. What is go ahead and get this burrito a try. This thing is heavy, bro. As big as my head. He told me that this salsa verde is real good, so we're gonna go ahead and try it. Sheesh, look at this hoe. It's huge. Oh, this hoe look good as hell. We're gonna try the first bite with no sauce and then with sauce. All right, this first bite. Bro, this is good. Second bite with sauce. You know what you're doing. I was not expecting that, bro. Bro, this is fire. The carne asada is tender as hell. And the papas, you could tell he made them. They're not frozen. Let me put this down. I'm gonna get some water. But alright. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. This fire burrito. Look at that. El aguacate y la carne asada. That's just fire. Y'all wanna get one? Pull up to Sosa's Barbecue for a badass breakfast burrito. But I'm gonna turn the vlog back on as soon as I'm on the way to give the truck a wash, or whenever I'm on the way to pick up my boy Jonathan. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, right now I'm on the way to pick up my boy Jonathan. Let me get y'all a point of view right now. Yo, so I just pulled up on my boy. Yo, what's up, bro?
Chilling.
Let me get my boy Jonathan.
I can hear your shit from upstairs.
For real?
Hell yeah.
No way.
That shit, I was like,
Okay. Shit. Well, right now we're gonna go look for a spot, and I'm gonna turn the vlog back on as soon as we're there. Right, y'all, my boy Jonathan whipping the truck right now.
Sir.
What you think of this hoe?
it's all nice, bro. It drives smooth too.
Yeah.
It's all nice. It John, like,
Yeah.
oh, badass.
Alright, bro. We just parked. It got hot, bro. I'm gonna take my jacket off.
It's all mean, bro. It's tired. It's a big ass tire.
She thick.
What you think of the view?
It's so nice. He told me that this hoe used to be a farm. Yeah, right?
Yeah, it used to be a farm. All animals. Nothing but animals.
This hoe big as hell. It's over 100 houses? Nah, hell no, right?
Not yet.
Not yet, but yeah.
Not yet, but it will be.
There's definitely land for 100 houses here. We're finna probably go pull up to a gas station. You see my shit was on E?
Yeah.
My shit's on E, bro.
She got no gas.
My shit
bro.
got no gas,
This
bro.
shit's tired while we were making the video.
Gonna take a couple more videos and then probably finna head out. My boy Jonathan, appreciate him for helping me out for sure.
Yeah, all the time, bro.
For sure. But I'm gonna let y'all know whenever we head out. Alright, we're about to pull up to a 7-Eleven because my shit's on E, bro.
It got no gas, bro.
It's literally on E, bro. Shit, bro was telling me about his Colorado trip. Nah, I kind of want to go now.
Yeah, that shit nice, bro. Them motorbikes, you should get them motorbikes. That's definitely the thing I recommend,
The
bro.
motorbikes?
Yeah, the motorbikes.
I want to try.
That's not the name.
Alright, we made it. Thinking that a guy should open the door for another guy.
I think it's gay if you make it gay.
No, it's not gay, but I'm saying, like, how does that go? But I know some people just be going like that, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You know
like,
what I
just like, you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel you.
I don't know.
I feel like it depends. Like, let's say I'm walking in and there's like somebody like right behind me.
Yeah.
I'm not just gonna like throw that then, you know? Might as well just open it for them.
If they're
Because I'm like right there.
If they're right behind you?
Yeah, but if they're like a couple like feet away, like let's say they're at the gas station and you see them coming in, I'm not gonna wait.
You just gonna push that?
Yeah, I'm
like
just
that?
gonna push it.
Yeah, same. Like this. Like that.
So
Perfect example.
Huh?
Perfect example right there.
Yeah, see, like that was perfect. She was right behind us.
Yeah.
If
But let's
she-
say
if
like
she was still paying.
we could just like
Yeah, we
push
just,
that whole
yeah, we
like
just
some.
did. Not going at a bed.
Nah, weight reduction.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
That's the excuse. That's the excuse. I want to put a wing.
A wing? For real?
What you think?
On the truck?
Yeah.
Depends how big.
Have you seen them? They just come out like not that much. Maybe like as much as this, because it's not supposed to be like that. I don't know why it's sticking out.
It's supposed to be right here, right?
Yeah, it just comes up like that. Alright. I'm gonna let y'all know whenever we get into something. But shit, I'm about to drop my boy off. Shit, appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, bro.
My boy Jonathan.
Yeah, bro.
I'm finna tag him. Y'all wanna follow him?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Shit. I'm gonna say bye to this real quick. I'm gonna let y'all know in a bit. Alright, I just dropped my boy Jonathan off. Shit, I'm about to go put the truck up and then I'll probably go get some food with my girl later on, or probably myself. I don't know, but I'm gonna let y'all know whatever I get into. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, what's up, y'all? So today's the next day. Or not the next day, like 2 days after. And y'all could tell, I cut my beard. I was looking a little rough. Just cause over the weekend I went to a proposal and the girl said yes, so happy weekend. Right now I'm on the way to pick up the truck cause right now it's hella cold. I don't want that bitch to like be sitting too long in the cold y luego ya no quiere jalar, you know what I mean? Look, I'm gonna show you a cold start cause today is a cold start for real, cause it's cold. So shit, I'm gonna let y'all know whenever I get to it. Alright, we just got to the truck. It's gonna be hella loud today, bro, cause it's like 36 degrees right now, maybe 36 to 38 degrees. But shit, it's gonna be a real cold start. You heard that? Man, bro, this thing is loud as hell today. I know y'all heard that. It's like, it says it's 43 degrees, but it feels like 38. So, pretty cold. We're just gonna let the truck warm up a bit, and we'll probably head over to the lake to get a couple pictures of it. Just cause I have nobody to help me drive it today. But shit, it's all good. We're gonna see what we can work with. I'm gonna let y'all know whenever I'm at the lake. Alright, we just got here. Check it out. Shit. But we just got done with the pictures and videos I was just taking right now of the truck. Shit, look at the view. About to go ahead and head out. I'll probably take y'all with me to get some food. I don't know yet. But shit, I'm gonna let y'all know whenever I get into something. I ended up dropping off the truck, and right now I'm on the way to Walmart to get some chips and some lunch meat. I'm about to pull it to Walmart. I'm gonna let y'all know whenever I'm there. Alright, we just got here. Walking in now. Hell, bro. Later during the week it's gonna be like, it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to be like 20-some degrees. I don't even know, Boogie. Alright, we in here now. Damn, they already got the Valentine's Day stuff out. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day. I gotta figure it out though. It's coming up. Alright, with the chip out now. Trying to see if they got some baked hot Cheetos. They got regular hot Cheetos. We're just gonna get the baked ones. The ones in the best part are even more crust. Fuck it. Y'all fuck with Ruffles? I like Ruffles. All right, I just got the food. My food for the week, like the whole. All right, we just got the food. Heading out now. Dang, it's cold outside. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for this video. Shit, shout out my boy Jonathan. Appreciate you, bro, for helping me do the videos. I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And follow my socials too, they're gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all drop a like if y'all liked the video. If not, it's all good. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for this video. Y'all take it easy. I'll see you on the next one.